What's up? What's up? This is Eqifax coming to you on the behalf of OWASP. OWASP. Let me tell y'all a little bit about OWASP. What is OWASP? You all may be asking. OWASP stands for Open Web Application Security Project. It's a list of top 10 security risks in the industry. It's a collection. It's owned. It's not sponsored by any company or anything. So it's open source and it's free for personal and business use. With it being open source, that means all the professionals in the industry in all corners of the field and are able to um, collaborate and add their own golden nuggets of wisdom in this list, in this top 10 list of security threats. And that list is ranked from 1 to 10, 1 being the most lethal, you may say. This is the list now. 1 being injection, which is pretty serious right now. And this is the 2017 list. Every year or every other year they try to update it, and it's just a new list that comes out. It has some common factors in them, like injection. It's been on the top of the list for the last I know it was on 16 and 13, I do believe. But this is the list with the bottom being insufficient logging and monitoring. This is very important. Everyone in cybersecurity should at least be aware of this list and just know this is the most current threats in the industry of today. And that is going to wrap up my little speech right now.